If you also think that building a body is only possible with high-budget diets and supplements, then after watching this video your whole perspective is going to change. Because the truth is, diet is almost more important than the workout itself when it comes to building a beast body. Today, I'm going to tell you about a completely budget-friendly diet plan that anyone can afford. With this diet plan, you can gain both muscle and weight without spending much money and time. One more thing guys, this diet plan took hours of research, effort, and countless retakes, all just to make sure you get the most effective results possible. So if you truly want to support this hard work, hit that subscribe button and smash the like, because that one click is what keeps us motivated to push harder and bring you even bigger, better, and more powerful transformations ahead. So let's begin this video. First, let's understand how muscle gain actually happens, because if you don't know this, you'll never be able to gain muscle properly. To build muscle, our body needs three main things: protein, carbs, and fat. Protein helps in building muscles, carbs provide energy, and good fats keep our body functions healthy. Among all these, protein is the most important nutrient that actually builds your muscles. You might have heard that protein intake should be 1.5 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. But if you're a beginner, that's not necessary. In the beginning, you just need around 0.7 to 0.9 grams of protein per kg of your body weight. For example, if your weight is 65 kilograms, you need around 70 to 80 grams of protein per day, not 100 or 150 grams. At this stage, that's enough for your muscles to grow. If you take more than what your body can handle, it'll just get wasted and can even upset your stomach because your digestion isn't used to it yet. So, increase your protein intake slowly over time. After 4 to 5 months of consistent training, when your body is enough muscular to absorb and handle high amount of protein and not get wasted. Now let's talk about the full-day budget-friendly diet plan that will give you around 110 to 135 grams of protein daily at a very low cost. In the morning, start your day with a simple and powerful meal. Take 4 slices of bread and spread 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Add 1 banana on the side for natural energy and potassium. Finally, drink 1 glass 250 milliliters of milk to complete this protein-rich breakfast that fuels your muscles and keeps you active throughout the day. This gives you about 28 grams of protein to kickstart your day. For lunch, eat whatever homemade food you like, such as grilled chicken, vegetables and salads, or rice. This will give you around 25 to 30 grams of protein and balanced nutrition. For your pre-workout meal that you used to eat before going to workout or any training, eat 2 eggs in any style you love, scrambled, fried, or as an omelette about 1.5 hours before going to workout. This gives you 13 grams of protein and enough energy for your workout. After finishing your workout, refuel your muscles with 40 to 50 grams of soya chunks, which is not too expensive, packed with around 26 grams of protein. They're perfect for fast recovery and muscle growth. Quick, simple, and super effective. For dinner, eat paneer, tofu or chicken with rice. This adds around 30 grams of protein and helps your body rebuild overnight. And before going to sleep, you can drink 1 glass of 150 to 200 milliliters of milk mixed with 2 spoons of almond and cashew powder that you can make at home by adding cashew and almond in mixture and grind it well. This is optional, but it's a great way to feed your muscles overnight and boost recovery while you sleep. This will give you about 13 grams of protein. Follow this simple and budget-friendly plan strictly for 5 to 6 months, and you'll start noticing beast results. You don't need expensive supplements or fancy diets, just discipline, consistency, and proper food. So, if you really want to build monster physique at home without any equipment, click on the left video. And if you want to build strong god-level forearms which shows undefined aura and gives dominant and impressive look, click on the right one.